here at AIT, the Asian Institute of Technology, getting all set and ready for the new course on Innovation, the New Normal, making way in a changed world. And I have with me here David Gallipo. The two of us will be running this program, which will run for 4 sessions between the 24th of November and the 3rd of December. So, innovation is a subject that everybody's been talking about. This word crops up in every conversation. And people are asking us, is there a formula? Is there something that there's a magic mantra that gets everybody becoming innovative and changing the world around them? Well, it's a yes and a no there. Innovation is not about what you do differently. Innovation is about a way of thinking, a way of approaching problems. And it's all about how you look at issues and how you respond and react to them. So I have David here. David, what's the magic in the course?
When we talk about innovation, there's a lot of different parts to the puzzle of innovation. So we won't only talk about the basics of innovation or the different types of innovation. We also want to really dig deep into social innovation, strategic innovation, how innovation can be used in a strategic level for senior management. And we'll also look how innovation cuts across not only the business sector, but also look at the academic sector and the public sector, how governments can use innovation to really come up with better informed policy. So we will dig deep into different areas of innovation that are really supported.
And also, the way we have set this course up is for most everybody that wants to understand the context in which we are going to apply innovative thinking, and what are the various tools and what are the various frameworks that actually will help us look at things differently. So we're also looking at case studies. We're looking at bringing in real life examples, right, David?
This will be a very practical course because we will actually look at case studies. We will actually look at where innovation has actually made a difference right now. But certainly innovation skills are key. They're key for your career. They're key for if you're going through your education, but they're also key as a selling point to be successful in the future because the demand for innovation skills is increasing dramatically. So we will be looking at very practical examples.
Right. And so basically this is for everybody. This is not a specialized course for just managers or just students or just government people or just business executives, aspiring social. All of you are welcome. And it's probably, as the way we've designed it, is a stepping stone into more specialized, more focused programs that will follow soon.
Thank you.
Well, we look forward to seeing you. Please register. And there's some scholarships to go for as well. So do check.